guys, welcome back to my channel, Make It Make, where I always try to encourage you guys, if you can't get it to make, then make it make. All right, so today we're going to be making Cowboy candy, and if you're unfamiliar with what that really is, it's basically jalapenos that are candied with some sugar. So it's a condiment that has some sweetness and some heat because of the jalapenos, obviously. Anyway, I can guarantee this is going to be a staple in your pantry if you like this sort of thing, because it complements pretty much any sandwich. I've put it on barbecued sandwiches, ham sandwiches, cornbread, drizzle it on some baked chicken. So yummy. So yummy. And I mean, it's incredibly versatile and you guys are just gonna love it. Anyway, let's get to it. I'm hoping you guys can see this here. You wanna start off, first of all, with all your jalapenos, and what we're gonna do is pretty basic. We're just gonna cut the stems off and then just continue cutting all of these in slices. The other thing is, if you are gonna be cutting jalapenos, try to wear some gloves, because the heat will get to you if you touch your eyes and your face, and burning in your hands. Whew. Spicy. I only cut one jalapeno pepper and it's already starting to bother me. All right, so I took this operation outside because, I was coughing and sneezing so much inside because the spiciness was just getting to me. So I'm hoping that this fresh air will be a little bit better than being inside. All right, so the brine that we're gonna make is gonna cover about 3 pounds of sliced jalapenos. Now, I'll make sure that I give you the measurements of everything that you need. And I am gonna double up my recipe just because I have a lot of jalapenos.
For the brine, you want to start off with 2 cups of cider vinegar. Next, add 6 cups of white sugar, a half a teaspoon of turmeric, a half a teaspoon of celery seed, 3 teaspoons of granulated garlic, and 1 teaspoon ground cayenne pepper. Mix all together on medium-high heat until fully dissolved. Once your sugar is fully dissolved and the brine is simmering, now you can add your jalapenos. Bring your jalapenos to a boil for about 2 to 3 minutes, just so they break down a little. Now you can start ladling your jars. You might need a little help with the back of a spoon or a debubbler. If you have leftover brine, definitely do not throw it out. It can easily be used as a marinade.
All right, now that we have everything sealed, we've got our Tatler lids, we got our jars filled, then it's just gonna go into the water bath for 10 minutes.